Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm here to do a makeup tutorial. So, I did half my face already. So let me show you everything I have used so far, but everything will be listed in the description. The Clinique Ever Better foundation right here in Sienna 20. And I pre-sprayed my face before priming, and this is the Black Radiance Long Lasting Setting Spray. One of my favorites. For primer, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer in matte right there. So we're going to be doing another Coming to America makeup tutorial. So while I put the eyeshadow primer on, so I'll put a good amount on, and as I'm doing this, I am doing her characters when Lavelle meet her for the second time, and that's my favorite look. So this is my interpretation of it and everything. So yeah, we're going to take this brush just to blend that out a little. And so before you get to that, we're gonna add before we get to the shadow. We're just gonna brush that off of it. We're just gonna we're just gonna do the face powder a little bit right up in here. We're gonna come back with it. Okay. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, try to go on and do the brows real quick. All right, and okay, using my color. Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna do the brows. I want to have those done. So y'all might sometimes see me do different tricks for my makeup, and that is because that has always been something I'll do. Okay, we're gonna put this on, and grab this. Okay. We're gonna take this. We're gonna take this brush right here, and we'll just we're just going to do the brows. Blend it in a little, comb it in. There we go. All right. Y'all back and get a paper towel so we're going to be using this palette, and just in case we need some more colors, we're going to also be using this palette. Might be using this palette, but yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm just going to use this brush, and we're just going to dust that all over in the crease. We're just now to the corner. I just want something, and this is just my interpretation of it. So I'll come back to it. And so we're going to take this brush, and we're going to take the lighter brown that's up in here, and that's this color right here. And we're just going to do that in on the, let me make sure I get this right. And we're just going to do them in the crease. We're going to bring it in a little, not all the way. Before we right. So we're going to take this brush right here, and we're going to take this green right here, and we're going to work it in. Tip, bring it in. So we're going to take this brush, and we're just going to blend it real well. We're just going to we're almost through that. So we're going to also take, with this brush, we're going to take this black. I'm just going to add the black to the ends, and we're going to blend. We're just going to add the black, like I said, and we're just going to blend it very well. And we're just going to blend that real well. So the brush we're using to blend. It's this brush right here. We're just going to blend it very well. Okay, and before we add, we're gonna add in the holy. We're gonna add in the highlight first before we do, and we're gonna do it ahead. This is the highlight I'm using, and alright, and we're going to blend it out a little. We're going to blend it out. Put that green back in a little bit of that green back in. Just put that green back in, a little bit of that green back in. Let's see. Yes, we're going to be using this color, so we're going to add this color on top of the. Actually, yeah, we're going to use this, but what we're going to use is this color right here. Let me come up on it. This like greeny, goldy looking color. And that's the color I'm going to use. Let's see. So we're just going to add that. Love that. Oh my God, it turned out beautiful. So, yeah, I will write down all of the. So the next thing we're going to do this right here. And what we're going to do, we're going to do it very lightly. We're going to take this color called Wild Child, and it's by Revlon London Blush. So that's the color. Okay. And where I'm going to need you, and so we're going to take these two colors, and we're almost through. So we're going to take For highlight, we're going to take Moonstone. Beautiful color. And then we're going to take this color right here. So we're going to go down the bridge of the nose first. Bridge of my nose. And I'll come back to that. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is, where is it? We're going to take this and we're just going to blend this out right here and blend everything together. We're just going to blend everything together before I put my lipstick and stuff on in. Go. And just because we have a little bit of this left, there we go. And for lipstick, we're going to do a combination of these two. We're going to line my lip with this. Okay, so with so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a paper towel. Don't need that much, but we might, you never know. And we're gonna fold it, and we're gonna do that. Just to make sure it's not too dark. And we're going to take the NYX Powder Puff Lippie. That's the color we're going to be using. And there we go. That is it. Oh my God, now I'm just seeing it and stuff. Let's see. I actually like the look. It's my interpretation of her look. And I just think, oh my God, I did phenomenally well. Let's see. Let's do a little more blending on the ends here. Bring it in. Just gonna blend it in a little more. And I love it. I love the look. Anybody can do it. You can do your own version. This is just my version of her look. So it's mine. You can kind of say it's kind of almost similar to her look, actually. And I hope everybody loves the look. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my